We begin here. The South African Police Service, in collaboration with the Johannesburg Metro Police Department, conducted Operation Fiela outside Jabulani Mall this morning. That's resulted in the arrest of many illegal street vendors and the confiscation of illicit goods. Now, police say the operation aims to promote law and order in communities and ultimately to keep residents safe.
Amalungu wesebe lenkonzo yesipolisa kunye nalawo wesebe lamapolisa kaMasipala uMbaxa kwisixeko saseGoli agunyazise umthetho kubantu abathengisela ngaphandle kwemall yaseJabulani abangenagunya lokuthengisela khona. Ngethuba leliphulo kuye kwathinjwa izinto zabo abazithengisayo ze kwakho nabo babanjiweyo.
As a station commander, I gave an instruction that no one must be on the pavement. We gave the people first the time that we are going to come and then we are going to do the operation. All the people that are here, we informed them that they are not supposed to be here, and because it's bylaws, they are breaking the bylaws. And then I'm happy with the successes. We have confiscated, and then the JMPD will take them all to Dube, and then we will process 2 of the illegal immigrants that we arrested here. And then remember, in terms of the Immigration Act, Section 49, we arrest and then we will be processing. Home Affairs will come and process them further.
Eliphulo lichazwa njengelo ligxile ekuqinisekiseni ucwangco kwaye neliza kuthi gqolo liqhubeka veki neveki.
We are going to do this weekly, and then it's not only the SAPS, it's together with the UBC CRAM, and then PRASA also is involved. We are having meetings and we are going to always come here and deal with them. Watch out, you Zola 1, Zola 2, Zola 3, Zola North, Jabulani Hostel. We are doing the operation Beke Le Beke. We are coming for you, and then we are warning you again, please stay away from what we are doing.
Abahlali bayacelwa ukuba bakhawulelane nabomthetho ngokuba bahloniphe imigaqo ebekiweyo. Kuyindaba zeSoweto TV, ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka eJabulani.